Hello everybody, welcome back, and how are you doing? I am so tired because it's really late now. It's I think 5 a.m. and I want to do makeup because this is what I actually feel good about it, especially in this time. And I couldn't film this video sooner because I was working on something for tomorrow's face art. And let me show you. I was working on this. I know it's so bad. It's supposed to be a human's heart, but it looks like anything but a human's heart. I was working on it for 3 hours and I don't like it. It's just useless, I think. Today's makeup is totally simple and it is suitable for those time which you are in hurry and you still want to be unique. You still want to have a fashion makeup. Because for this makeup you don't have that much time, so you're gonna save your time for your eye makeup because that is the most important part of a makeup, the eye makeup. So you gotta use a BB cream because I don't want to use concealer. It takes some time. So when you use BB cream, you also can use it for under your eyes, and also you can prepare your eyelids with it without using a concealer. So we actually could save time for this. As you know, we sometimes use some cream contour for contouring, but it's not necessary. So for this time when when you don't have that much time, you can use a bronzer or a contouring powder. If you use bronzer, you can also remove the blush part, but I prefer to use the contouring part because I like to use a pink blush. What's wrong? Brow soaps are the best for long and busy days because they always lift your eyebrows for a long time. And this is the difference between a lifted eyebrow and a normal one. With a tiny brush like this, use a brow shadow and just do it like this. It's like you're drawing some eyebrow. Don't do this. Use a high pigment and light blue. This is my favorite color. You can use this video tutorial for doing any kind of color you want for your eye makeup, but I prefer blue because I think it's the color that you can use for mostly every places. And blend it all over your eyelids. And blend this part. It's shiny and it's a lot, and we have blended all over the eyelid, so it gives some 2000Y 2002, and I really like those makeups, so this is my favorite. I don't know about you. Now that I'm thinking, I remember that Gigi Hadid had a makeup look like this for, I don't know what ceremony it was, Met Gala or something, I don't know, but we are using a dark blue aqua color for the eyeliner, and we will use the same color for the mascara. It kind of monochrome makeup, but only for eye. See, the only things you had to do was picking a color for eyeshadow, just one color, and probably need to be shiny, and use the same color for your eyeliner and mascara, any color you want, but I like to use blue. And in this case, you get rid of a normal makeup and you're having some kind of fashion and colorful one. I love this mascara, I really do. Since I don't want it to be a heavy makeup and we're in a hurry, for example, so I'm gonna use Pancake instead of using the baking powder, because we actually didn't use concealer, and when we use concealer we need to bake, so Pancake is enough, and only you can use for your T-zone, which is here. I know it's like we're in a hurry, but it doesn't mean that we should stop using highlighter, so I use it just a little bit. We're giving some shine to my face and make it look a little bit more unique. I'm not sure if unique is a good word, maybe fashion. and also a little bit above my lips and here, just to make it look bigger. I still can relate to people that don't use lipstick. I mean, I can't live without it. I can go out without any makeup, but lipstick are my favorite one. So I use a pink one because I still want this makeup to be girlish, but not too much. And just like the color we use for lipstick, I use this pink. I wish I had this one. I use these two pinks for blush, and I use it just this much on the cheeks. I should have used this blush before I used the highlighter because the highlighter was liquid, but this one is powder, so I have to blend it. So this is our easy peasy and also beautiful makeup. I'm not sure how much it took me to do this makeup, but I was recording the video, I was talking. I'm pretty sure if you do it, it takes less time. So I hope you liked this video. Tell me how do you think about it in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Love you guys so much, and bye bye.